In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sent emails from a receiver's inbox in Gmail. First, it's important to understand what's actually possible in Gmail. Once an email has been fully sent and delivered, you generally cannot forcefully remove it from someone else's inbox. However, Gmail does give you a short window where you can undo a message right after you send it. In this video, we'll focus on how to use that undo feature effectively, and how to adjust your settings so you have the maximum amount of time to react if you make a mistake. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in to your account. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. Click on that gear icon and then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. This is where we'll adjust the amount of time you have to undo a sent email. In the General tab of your settings, scroll down until you see the Undo Send section. Here, you'll find a drop-down that lets you choose a cancellation period. You can usually pick from a few options, like 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Choose the longest time available, typically 30 seconds, to give yourself the best chance to cancel a message after you hit send. Once you've selected your preferred time, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload, and your new undo period will be active. Now let's see how to actually use this when sending an email. Go back to your inbox and click Compose to start a new message. Enter the recipient, subject, and your email content as you normally would. When you're ready, click Send. Right after you send, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small notification that says Message Sent, along with an undo option. This notification only appears for the amount of time you set in your settings. If you decide you want to delete that email from the receiver's inbox during this window, click Undo. Gmail will stop the message from being delivered and reopen it as a draft so you can edit or delete it. The key is to move quickly and get into the habit of watching for that undo notification every time you send an important email. This simple adjustment can save you from sending messages to the wrong person, sharing the wrong attachment, or sending something before it's fully ready.